Ever wondered what it feels like to take care of too many houseplants? It all starts with one. A single, beautiful plant that captures your heart and instantly brightens up your living space. The lush green leaves, the delicate blossoms, the sense of life it brings into your home, it's impossible to resist. You bring this first plant home, and it's like welcoming a new friend. There's an initial burst of excitement as you find the perfect spot for it, ensuring it gets the right amount of sunlight, and you can almost hear it whispering thank you as you water it for the first time. Then comes the second plant, then the third, and before you know it, you're on a first-name basis with the staff at your local nursery. Each new plant brings a fresh wave of joy, and with every addition your home grows greener, more vibrant. You promise yourself, this one will be the last. But then, you spot another beauty at the store, and before you know it, your home resembles a jungle. Keeping up with the watering schedule alone feels like a full-time job. With a house brimming with greenery, each leafy tenant demands a unique watering routine. You're not just a plant owner, you're a hydration specialist, a water whisperer if you will. Imagine this, your fern, a tropical native, loves a good soak, while your cactus, a desert dweller, prefers to live life on the drier side. Then there's your fiddle-leaf fig, the drama queen of the plant world. Too much water it wilts, too little it sulks. It's a delicate balancing act that requires constant attention and a fair share of trial and error. And let's not forget about the seasons. As the sun dips in winter, your watering can collects dust. But when summer hits, it's all systems go, ensuring your leafy companions are quenched in the heat. There are days when you're caught in a perpetual rain dance, can in hand, tiptoeing around your indoor rainforest. Other days you're playing detective, inspecting leaves, feeling the soil, reading signs of over or underwatering. But it's not just about survival, it's about helping your green friends thrive, seeing new leaves unfurl, witnessing the fruits of your labor. Yes, it's a challenge, but it's a rewarding one. Every drop of water is a declaration of your commitment, a testament to your green-thumbed dedication. You have to be a master of hydration, making sure each plant gets just the right amount of water without drowning them or letting them thirst. And don't get me started on pruning. If you thought watering was a challenge, wait till your plants start flourishing and spreading their leafy arms in all directions. It's like having unruly children who refuse to keep their hair combed. See? Every plant has its own growth pattern. Some might grow tall and slender, reaching for the sky. Others sprawl out wide, claiming their territory on your windowsill or coffee table. And just like you wouldn't let your kids run wild without an occasional haircut, you can't let your plants grow unchecked. But here's where it gets tricky. Each leaf, each stem is a part of your plant's character. It's a testament to its growth, its resilience, and its unique beauty. So when you're holding those pruning shears, you're not just maintaining your plant's appearance. You're shaping its story, its journey inside your home. Pruning is an art, a delicate balance of knowing when to cut and when to let grow. It's a decision made with care and respect for your green companions. It's not about achieving a picture-perfect look, but about nurturing a healthy, happy plant. And just when you think you've got it under control, they surprise you. A new leaf here, an unexpected stem there. It's a never-ending game of growth and adaptation. It's like playing botanical Tetris, trying to fit every leaf and stem into the perfect arrangement. Before you know it, every nook and cranny of your home is occupied by a plant. The struggle to find the perfect spot for each green friend becomes a daily challenge. You're not just a caretaker anymore, you're now a master of spatial organization. You find yourself constantly rearranging furniture, always on the lookout for that elusive patch of sunlight. It's like a game of botanical Jenga. Each pot, each plant must fit just right, or the whole tower might come tumbling down. But it's part of the charm, part of the joy of indoor gardening. Every surface becomes a potential home for a new plant. Windowsills, shelves, even the bathroom counter. You start to think that maybe, just maybe, you've crossed a line. You look around at your leafy companions and can't help but laugh. You start questioning if you have more plants than friends. But despite the chaos, there's something magical about being surrounded by nature indoors. Each plant, each leaf, each stem is a testament to life's resilience and beauty. They're silent companions, sharing our spaces, purifying our air, and asking for nothing more than a little water and sunlight in return. Each plant has its own personality, its own rhythm. The fiddle leaf fig is a drama queen, wilting dramatically if it doesn't get the right amount of light. The snake plant, on the other hand, is the strong, silent type, stoically enduring even the most forgetful waterers. And then, there's the monstera, the social butterfly of the plant world. always reaching out its leaves in a friendly greeting. Each one is unique, each one is special, and each one brings a different energy to your home. Caring for these silent companions is not just about keeping them alive. It's about understanding their needs, learning their language, and helping them thrive. It's about becoming a plant parent, a nurturer of life. And in return, they reward you with their lush greenery, their growth, their very presence. They teach you patience as you wait for that new leaf to unfurl. They teach you resilience as you nurse them back to health from a pest attack. They teach you about the simple joys of life, about the beauty of growth and the satisfaction of nurturing. And yes, there might be days when you feel overwhelmed, when you wonder if you've bitten off more than you can chew. But then, you see a new leaf unfurling, a new shoot sprouting, and you know it's all worth it. So, if you ever find yourself with too many houseplants, just embrace the wild ride. Revel in the joy of nurturing life, of watching it grow and thrive. After all, you can never have too much greenery in your life. The more the merrier, as they say. Just remember, in the game of plant parenting, the only rule is to keep growing.